Rebound corralled by SGA. Thunder trying to get up the floor quickly as Bazley drives on Covington. Kept his pivot foot, finds some space and finishes right with the right hand. And that's something that we've seen from Bazley over the last couple of games. Not just his left hand, his primary hand, Mike, but also the offhand. He's got 19 out of the 20 Minnesota points. Bazley from the corner explodes up to the rim.
Yeah, they'll tell you he's 19. That's not a 19-year-old. I like that, man. I can't steal that from you because I work with you. So.
2-on-1. The dump off. Bazley with the right hand, and he can't finish as the Thunder had numbers there. And we'll go back to the line. So the Thunder defense starting to
look like he was going to fall. He still was able to get there. How about this, man? This kid.
Woo.
Did somebody? Don't tell him he's 19. Just tell him to just play ball. He's just balling tonight, folks.
And he sprints back. He's the first man back on defense.
But other guys scoring the basketball as, I'm going to call him the kid, but he's not a kid out here, folks. I say that with respect. He's 19, but he's playing like a savvy veteran. That's a big bucket.
Kogi backdoor. Bazley came over
He came out of
and
nowhere.
affected the shot. Kogi thought it was a goaltend.
He took a hit. A little slow coming up the floor.
Bazley, hard drive, got down low. Takes a bump and a foul as the Thunder playing downhill here in this third quarter. Bazley spins, right hand. What a shot from Darius Bazley with the shot clock winding down.
Big time.
Oklahoma City had one in the third quarter, that three-pointer to help stave off a Minnesota run. Trying to do it again here in the fourth.